Want to know what's hot in theaters this weekend? If you're looking for epic superhero action, then Captain America: Civil War is the film for you. Captain America and Iron Man are torn apart and forced to choose a side in this supercharged tour de force. Swing into theaters for Disney's The Jungle Book. This live-action thrill ride features everybody's favorite man cub, Mowgli, and spectacular CGI that makes this a must-see movie.
This is what I trained you for.
Be sure to catch The Huntsman: Winter's War. It tells the story of Eric the Huntsman, a warrior caught up in betrayal, dark magic, and forbidden love. And finally, let's check out what's hot in theaters with this week's Fanticipation. So what's your weekend ticket going to be? Be sure to download the Fandango app for all the latest showtimes, tickets, and trailers. We'll see you next time on Weekend Ticket.
Get a free ticket to X-Men Apocalypse in theaters May 27th when you buy a limited edition Red Robin gift card. And try the new Spicy Berserker X Burger, only at Red Robin.
Red Robin. Yum.